Hello, developers. Welcome to ChemSent RTC's tutorial video. I am Tom, the avatar powered by Tencent RTC. In the previous tutorial videos, we introduced how to use the TUI call kit component to implement features such as login, audio, video calling, setting personal information, and floating window functionality on the iOS platform. Additionally, TUI call kit supports a wide range of callbacks, enabling the implementation of diverse business functionalities. Next, we will guide you through the usage of TUI call kit's callback feature to monitor call status. Step 1, register callback events in TUILogin. We go to iOS project, import the TUI call engine component, and add the TUI call observer protocol. Register callback events in TUILogin. We need to use TUI call engine and add the callbacks. When we receive a call, we will have a callback function called onCallReceived. When we start a call, we will receive a callback function called onCallBegin. When we end the call, we'll receive a callback function called onCallEnd. Step 2, print callback information in the callback functions. Now we will print out these callback informations. When we receive a call, we can obtain 5 parameters: caller information, callee list information, group ID, media type, and user-defined data. Let's print them all. When the call begins, we also receive callback information that can be printed out. We can receive the room ID, call media type, and call role. And when we hang up, we can also receive the call end callback, which also contains rich information. We will print out this information as well. Step 3, run the demo to test callback events. Okay, we have successfully registered the callbacks. Let's run our demo. Click on Login. After a successful login, we initiate a call and observe the printed information. At this point, it receives the on-call received. The caller is 8558. The callee is 1234. Since there is only one called user, the group ID is empty. The media type is audio call. Now, let's answer the call. We receive the onCallBegin callback, and we can also see some related information. When we hang up the call, we receive the onCallEnd, and again, some call information is printed in the console. Other callback functionalities. This is the demonstration of TUI call kit's callback feature. Additionally, we can refer to the API documentation to explore more. In the API documentation under TUI Call Observer, we can see which callbacks are supported. By referring to these callbacks, we can know the basic callback functionalities supported by TUI Call Kit and use them to accomplish more complex and diverse business functionalities. That's it. You've successfully followed the TUI Call Observer protocol in your iOS project, implemented the callbacks, and monitored the call states. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more information and resources, visit our official website, trtc.io. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Welcome you guys to subscribe to our channel. Happy coding.